Hi, I'm Richard Snow with Exit Realty, and I'm out here today at Presidential Lakes to show you a waterfront lot, Lot 20 off of Eisenhower Drive. Let's take a look. This is a path that goes through the woods down to the water's edge. This lot had previously been engineered for a septic system, a 3-bedroom Advantech system, and somewhere right back here is where the potential house site would be. Up here on a broad ridge that goes down to the water, and we're going to just go right down here to the water's edge and take a look. Beautiful late spring day. Feels like summer around here today. Very pretty. Nice, quiet little secluded spot. All right. Welcome back.